Have you ever wondered what makes Nigerian cuisine so mouth-watering and healthy at the same time? Well, let's embark on a culinary journey to the heart of West Africa, where the Nigerian kitchen awaits us. This vibrant cuisine is as diverse as the country's many ethnic groups, with each region boasting its own unique dishes and cooking techniques. From the spicy tomato-based jollof rice to the hearty egusi soup, Nigerian cuisine is a celebration of flavors. But today, we're going to focus on the unsung heroes of this cuisine: fruits and vegetables. Nigerian cuisine not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also provides a wealth of health benefits, thanks to the abundance of fresh, locally sourced fruits and vegetables that form the backbone of many dishes. These ingredients are not just delicious, but also easy to prepare and packed with nutrients. So whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, there's a Nigerian dish for you. Now, get ready to explore 2 easy, healthy, fruit and vegetable-based Nigerian recipes. The first recipe on the menu is the delicious Nigerian fruit salad, a vibrant mix of tropical fruits that is both refreshing and nutritious. This salad is a celebration of the bounty of fruits that Nigeria is blessed with, from juicy pineapples and sweet papayas to succulent mangoes and tangy oranges. To add a touch of sweetness and a hint of tang, we'll also need some honey and a lime. Let's get started. The first step is to gather all our fruits. Make sure they're ripe and fresh for the best flavor. Now we begin by washing the fruits thoroughly. Cleanliness is key when it comes to food preparation. Next, we peel the fruits. This step is important as it removes any residual dirt and exposes the vibrant flesh of the fruits. Once peeled, it's time to chop the fruits into bite-sized pieces. The next step is the fun part, mixing everything together. In a large bowl, combine all the chopped fruits. Drizzle some honey over the mix to give it a sweet edge. Then, squeeze some lime juice into the mix. The lime not only adds a zesty tang, but also helps to keep the fruits fresh. Give the salad a good toss until the honey and lime are evenly distributed. And voila, your Nigerian fruit salad is ready to be savored. But don't fill up just yet, we have another exciting recipe coming up. Our next recipe is a Nigerian classic, efo riro, a rich vegetable soup packed full of nutrients. Let's dive right into the ingredients. You'll need a generous amount of spinach, a mix of red and green bell peppers, ripe tomatoes, onions, palm oil, locust beans, crayfish, and of course, your preferred blend of spices. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and start cooking. First up, we're going to blend the peppers and tomatoes. This creates a delightful mix that will form the base of our soup. Once it's blended to a smooth consistency, set it aside. Next, we move on to our onions. We'll sauté them in palm oil until they're just right, translucent and oozing with flavor. The aroma of sautéed onions alone will tantalize your senses, but we're just getting started. Now it's time to introduce the locust beans and crayfish to the mix. Stir them in gently, allowing the flavors to meld together. This is where the magic really happens, as the unique flavors of the locust beans and crayfish infuse the soup with that authentic Nigerian taste. Last but not least, it's time for the star of the show, the spinach. Add it gradually, stirring continuously to ensure it's properly integrated. The spinach not only adds a fresh, earthy flavor, but also gives the soup its vibrant green hue. And there you have it, a bowl of steaming, delicious efo riro. Enjoy these healthy Nigerian recipes and don't forget to share your cooking adventures with us. Let's take a moment to appreciate the culinary journey we've embarked on today. We've delved into the rich, vibrant world of Nigerian cuisine, discovering 2 simple yet nutritious recipes that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. First, we explored the Nigerian fruit salad, a refreshing medley of fruits, each bursting with vitamins and antioxidants. This dish is a testament to the fact that health and flavor can indeed go hand in hand. Next, we ventured into the savory realm with the Nigerian vegetable soup, also known as efo riro. Packed with a variety of vegetables, this soup is a powerhouse of nutrients, demonstrating the versatility of Nigerian cuisine. Both recipes underscore the beauty of using fresh, wholesome ingredients to create meals that aren't just delicious, but also nourishing. So let's celebrate the joy of cooking, the delight of eating, and the satisfaction of knowing we're fueling our bodies with the best nature has to offer. Remember, healthy eating can be exciting and delicious. Keep exploring, keep cooking, and stay healthy.